Good morning, class. As always, it's time to start our day with English. First of all, let me tell you, I am feeling very happy and very motivated while seeing you responding. Yesterday, I got very good response in word meanings, and I was so happy to see you responding in your maths test. It was wonderful. So keep responding like this, keep studying like this, and it's my humble request to every one of you that whatever you are doing in written practice, firstly you need to learn that work and then write it. Okay? So students, as you almost many of you have got the books now, today I'm going to make you do with the book exercise of lesson 3 Brave Bubbly. So you all will do this book exercise in your books only. So what you need to do is you will send me the pics of your books today. Okay? So let's start. In the first A1 part, read the following sentences carefully. Find out words from the lesson to fill in the blanks. As you can see, I have already filled the blanks so that it will be easier for you to see. Okay, so let's begin. The first one was the dash of India gave a dash award to dash on 25 January 2005. There were three fill in the blanks in the first sentence, and the fill in the blanks are very easy. If we have read the chapter carefully, we just need to recall in our mind who gave which award to whom. This is what they are asking about. So, in the first blank, I have written the Prime Minister of India gave a dash award. Which award it was? Bravery award. To whom? किसको दिया था? To Bubbly on 25 January 2005. So I have filled all the three blanks. In the first blank it was Prime Minister. In the second blank it was Bravery. And in the third blank it was Bubbly. So what is the sentence now? The Prime Minister of India gave a Bravery Award to Bubbly on 25 January 2005. Let's move to the second now. Bubbly dreams of going to dash. Where did Bubbly want to go? School. So here it will be school in the first blank. But her dash has no dash for the school dash. But her parents has no money for the school fees. So the sentence is completed now. Bubbly dreams of going to school, but her parents has no money for the school fees. Third one. She likes to dash her family and dash. We have already read about the characteristics. The character of Bubbly was very kind, very helpful. She was always smiling, right? So what she likes to do is she likes to help her family and others. Let's read the fourth one now. Hope you are finding them easy. Let's read the fourth one now. In the evening on 30th June 2004, 6 dash were playing on the dash of the Ganga. Who were playing? 6. Who were playing? 6 young children. So what we will write here is 6 young children. Young, you understand? Those who are not old. It is the opposite of old. Those who are not old. Young means small, you can say. छोटे बच्चे. The young children were playing on the dash of the Ganga. Dash of the Ganga, banks of the Ganga. Banks, I told you yesterday also in the word meaning, bank is the area near the water where the water line finishes and the land starts, that is bank of the river. So, now coming to the fifth one, they climbed onto a vegetable dash and started dash on it. They climbed onto a vegetable dash. So I have filled here cart. C-A-R-T, cart. Cart is also made in the picture here. Can you see? That was the cart. And started dash on it jumping. What they started doing on that cart? Jumping. Next, number 6. Bubbly jumped dash times into the water to dash the children. Do you remember how many times Bubbly jumped in the water? She jumped 3 times. How many times? 3 times. 2 times she jumped alone, and the third time her brother also helped Bubbly to save the children. So here we have written Bubbly jumped 3 times into the water to save the children. Now I am starting with A2, which is circle A or B for the correct answer. In this part, we are given with the two options and we need to circle the one. As you can see, I have already made the circles there. So I am reading it for you. In the first one, Bubbly saved 6 children from. Bubbly saved 6 children from. She saved 6 children from drowning in a river or falling in a well. Yes, the right answer is drowning in a river. Drowning in a river. Number 2, the cart with the 6 children on it. The cart with the 6 children on it. A option is rolled down the sandy road towards the river. And B option is rolled down the sandy slope towards the river. As you know, there was no road. It was near the bank, right? So, the correct option is B. Rolled down the sandy slope towards the river. Let's read the third now. Who helped Bubbly save the children? Who helped Bubbly save the children? I just told you, her brother, right? So we will be circling A option. Only Bubbly's brother helped her save the children. Were other people there? Yes, other people were too there, but they did not help Bubbly. They did not help Bubbly. So let's read the fourth one now. Who wrote about Bubbly's brave deed? Who wrote about Bubbly's brave deed? Deed is action, which is very good or very bad, right? So who wrote about Bubbly's brave deed? A shopkeeper wrote about it in Amar Ujala, or a newspaper reporter wrote about it in Amar Ujala. So the correct answer is a newspaper reporter wrote about it in Amar Ujala. Let's move further. Now what we need to do is, we are given with the options above. I am reading the options that is given in the box. Swam, bucket, bouquet, pride, troop, herd, range. Swam, bouquet, pride, troop, herd, range. So we need to fill the blanks given to us. The first one is a group of flowers. What we call a group of flowers? Bouquet. So we need to fill the missing alphabets here. A group of flowers is called a bouquet. Second is a group of bees. A group of bees. We call the group of bees swarm. We call it swarm. And third is a group of mountains. We call a group of mountain range. What we call? Range. R-A-N-G-E, range. And in the fourth sentence, a group of lions. A group of lions. Lions group is known as pride. What we call it? Pride. P-R-I-D-E. P-R-I-D-E, pride. And the fifth one is a group of monkeys. A group of monkeys is called as troop. What is this written? Troop. T-R-O-O-P, troop. Number 6, a group of elephants. A group of elephants is called herd. H-E-R-D, herd. Herd बोलते हैं झुंड को. Where there are so many people or animals together, that is known as herd. So hope you are clear with the exercise of this chapter. So what you need to do is, you need to do this exercise in your books and send me the pics afterwards. And do take care of yourselves. And one more thing, it's your EVS today. EVS test today. So be prepared for that also. Okay? Bye.